Welcome to this training module on supporting primary school children with profound hearing impairment. These children have very little to no functional hearing, even with the use of hearing aids or implants. They rely almost completely on visual communication, including gestures, facial expressions, written cues, and often Indian Sign Language. This session will equip you with effective visual and structured strategies to support their communication, learning, and participation. Children with profound hearing impairment typically have no meaningful access to speech sounds. They rely on ISL, gestures, pictures, and written language, benefiting from 100% visual teaching. They require structured, predictable routines and find auditory-based activities inaccessible. They face challenges in vocabulary development and spoken language, experiencing visual fatigue from constant monitoring of the environment. Key insight: for these children, visual communication is the primary communication. Speech alone is inaccessible. To support profound hearing needs, the classroom must be entirely visual-friendly. Strategies include seating the child where they can clearly see the teacher's face and hands, and using a semicircle or U-shaped seating to improve peer visibility. Maintain bright, steady lighting and use visual schedules for the full day. Pair every instruction with a gesture, sign, or written cue, and use demonstration-based teaching for tasks. Slow down transitions and indicate them visually. Example activity: visual signal routine. The teacher uses a raised hand, picture card, or sign to indicate instruction start. For profound hearing impairment, communication must be sign first and visual first. Supports include using Indian Sign Language for daily classroom routines and combining signing with picture cards. Use facial expressions to show emotion and clarity, and break instructions into small, visual steps. Use written keywords on the board as anchors, and establish a gesture or sign for "repeat please." Never speak while facing away or writing on the board. Example activity: sign plus picture instruction set. Teacher signs and points to picture cards for sit, open book, write, finish. Assistive devices may help slightly, but for profound hearing impairment, visual accessibility remains the core. Supports include daily checks for hearing implants or processors and using captions for all digital content. Provide written homework, summaries, and instructions, and encourage tablet-based visual instructions. Use vibrating or light-based alerting tools when possible, and provide visual timers for transitions and task duration. Example activity: caption plus visual start routine. Begin each lesson with a captioned short visual, followed by a signed explanation. Curriculum access for profound hearing needs relies entirely on visual and hands-on learning. Strategies include using picture-supported vocabulary and ISL equivalents, and providing step-by-step visual sequences for every task. Use real objects and models to teach concepts, and replace all oral instructions with written or signed versions. Use diagrams, flashcards, models, and icons, and provide word walls with sign illustrations. Use comic strips or storyboards instead of read-alouds. Example activity: visual task cards set, math steps, science experiment steps, daily routine shown using icons. Children with profound hearing impairment may struggle to follow peer conversations. Structured, visual interaction helps. Strategies include using a visual turn-taking card and giving peers simple signs to use. Seat the child where they can see everyone's faces, and use games based on visual cues, matching, sorting, sequencing. Keep group sizes small and encourage peer buddies who know basic signing. On-screen quote: sparkles, inclusion grows when communication becomes visible. Sparkles: communication barriers can lead to frustration and isolation. Emotional support must be intentional. Strategies include using emotion cards and sign equivalents for feelings and allowing the child to ask for help using a help sign. Validate their communication attempts and avoid rushing. Visual communication takes time. Praise visual attention and effort and teach peers to be patient, kind, and inclusive. Create a calm environment during misunderstandings. Supporting profound hearing impairment requires teamwork across school and home. Collaborate with special educators, audiologists, speech-language therapists, and ISN specialists. Also collaborate with parents and caregivers, class teachers, and SANE coordinators. With strong visual strategies, consistent sign support, and a structured environment, children with profound hearing impairment can learn confidently and participate meaningfully in school. Your patience, empathy, and planning make a deep difference in their learning journey. Sparkles thank you for supporting visual, accessible, and inclusive education. Sparkles. Sparkles, every child deserves communication they can truly see and understand. Sparkles.